Not me. Now you are challenging you. Okay, different. हे कित्तू मतलब कैसा था? अलग-अलग इमोशन से बोलो, ठीक है?
Hey Kittu, Shana Kittu.
हम लोग भी अलग-अलग से रिप्लाई करें. हाँ.
Hey Kittu, Shana Kittu. 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 Hey Kittu, Shana Kittu.
दो इमोशंस चल रहे हैं साथ में. Okay. हे कित्तू
Shana Kittu.
हे कित्तू
Hey Kittu,
मैडम
Hey Kittu, Shana Kittu. Hey Kittu, Shana Kittu. Shana Kittu.
Okay, let's start. So I'll just come up. All are full of emotions in us, and there is an emotion every day in our thoughts. We have to keep the vibes. What we did, the energizers was basically to know yourself, self-awareness, with a smile, your identity. That is very important. Then we understood the 5 categories of understanding yourself, self-awareness, self-motivation, then self-regulation, social awareness, and relationship. These are the very important. At the center of it is relationship management. To understand, there are certain acronyms which you all can use to check yourself where you are going, right or wrong. That is what you need to understand, and also reflect on a daily basis what's going right, what's going wrong, and think about the locus of control. हम लोग हमेशा क्या करते हैं, बाहर गलत है और हम locus of control अपने को रखो, because you are the core of the class, but you are very different hats. You are a facilitator, co-learner, mentor, you are a guide, you are also a facilitator, and you are a professional. Okay, you are also a professional. Be guided by your professional ethics and integrity. Right? So thank you very much. Thank you.